Hey everybody, I wanted to take a minute and just chat with you guys. I'm getting ready to wash my car and it's pretty dirty and dusty out here, but that's not really what I wanted to chat with you about today. I'm bringing back the Ezekiel Center and I'm bringing it back full force, and I've got some real compelling reasons why I want to do this. I almost gave up on the center. I almost gave up on the mission because I kind of felt like, what's the point? I've been really overwhelmed since, I guess, COVID, you could say. And yes, I said the C word. I've been astonished at the level of disconnection, fragmentation, and quite frankly, cruelty that I've been seeing in the world. Not just on the news, not just politically, not even just religiously, but close personal friends and family, people that I've known for decades, that I've seen a side of them that it breaks my heart. It breaks my heart to see the level of disconnection, fragmentation, and quite frankly, people who have become downright mean. They're not the same people that I once knew. I don't recognize them anymore, and I've been finding that there's been greater and greater isolation with people, that people just don't connect the way they used to. And you can blame all kinds of things. You can blame social media, you can blame politics, you can blame, whatever it is. Just fill in the box. You're part of this group, you're not part of that group. You like this group of people, you don't like that group of people. And this, I'm going to call it evil. This evil is really starting to permeate so much of our culture and society that I'm bringing back the center because I'm really concerned deep down for humanity itself. And where is our soul? Where is our spirit? Where's the love? Where's the human connection? If you've been feeling like you're just lost, or isolated, or maybe you yourself are just troubled and you're angry and you're frustrated with what you've been seeing in the world, I invite you to come online, look me up at ezekielcenter.org. We have different courses available. I've got my book available. Schedule a one-on-one with me. If you want to talk to somebody and work some of this stuff out and clear and transmute and become a better version of yourself so you can shine and then attract more things into your life that you know that you're meant to be, do, and have, and also help change the world, because the more people that we can get to shine the light, the brighter our world is going to be. Right now we're surrounded by darkness. We need light bearers to come out and show their best, to be their best, to have the courage to stand up and not give up. Because quite frankly, I'll be honest with you, my wife and I were talking last night. I almost gave up. I'm like, there's so much evil out there in the world. There's so many people who are fragmented and disconnected and suffering that it feels so overwhelming. And then I had to sit back and think, this is exactly why I have to do this. I can't give up, because you're at stake. I'm at stake. We're all at stake here, and we've got to bring the love back. And it starts with ourselves. And once we bring the love back within ourselves, we can then spread it to other people, because we can't love other people more than we're capable of loving ourselves. Please share this, leave a comment, join me at ezekielcenter.org, and I hope to see you on the inside of the courses or meet you in person one day. With love. I'm Dr. Dan, signing off for now so I can wash my very dirty car.